Hey family, welcome back. I just got this from Five and Below because I needed one. So one of my babies was like, "Mommy, do you have one of these?" And I'm like, "No, I need one." So let's see if we can figure out how to put this together. So here are the parts. And I am so not tech savvy. So we're gonna figure this out, family. So first things first, it says remove the plastic film from the suction cup. So let's go ahead and take this off like that. All right, so here is the part where your phone goes into. So this has to unscrew. So let's unscrew this. And as you can see, I'm doing this with one hand. And so now we got that piece and we got that. So let's see what we can figure this out. Okay, so we're going to, the mount is going to go up like that. Yes, like that. So, oh, there we have it. It snaps in place. So, wait a minute. I forgot the other part. This is why they have parts for a reason. So now we're going to snap that in place. And now we can screw it on. Yay. Okay, if we can get it screwed on. Come on, get into the grooves. This is always the tricky part. Make sure you get it into the grooves. Yay! Okay, so now we're going to put it up on the window. So this part, you click it out and mount it. You can mount this to your dashboard, but I'm going to do it to the window. We'll see how it works on the window for now. And then, hold on fam. Okay, before I mount it, see this button right here? You push this and the sides come out. So your phone, no matter what size it is, should be able to fit in those slots. So now I'm going to get it mounted to the window. So I think I'm going to mount it right here. And now you're just supposed to click this down. Oh, voila, and it stays just like that. Family, I got it up! Yay! So if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And like I say, this was just a quick video. I did pick up some more things. I will show you what I got before I do end the video. So one more thing, the one thing I do like about this, it doesn't have to permanently stay up. You can move it wherever you want to. So stay tuned. This was $3, clip-on microphone. And I was gonna order one of these from Amazon and I hear that it works very well. Oh, so I'm so excited about this. And I believe this was also $5. Did pick up some clothes. I got these shorts in red. I thought these were cute. Reminded me of the older days. And they've come back in style. The yellow. And I didn't get any tops, but I love hats. So they're reversible. I love that print, but I also love that color as well. And I got this one. And that's the inside. I got this one. That's the inside. And who doesn't love shorts? It is hot. I got these. And I got this foot soak, and I want to say this was either $1 or $2. I don't think no more than $3. And I got this green screen backdrop. And lastly, I picked up this smartphone tripod that is flexible. So family, if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.